Street paving project in Enterprise is about to wrap up as workers prepare to replace asphalt on Lunsford Road. It's one of the last projects to be completed in Phase 2 of the city's road project. In total, 55 streets or portions of streets were chosen for this phase based on the conditions of the pavement. Over the last 2 years, new and improved water lines were replaced before these streets were repaved. Boris Kaysen, he owns a lawn care company in Enterprise, and he says the construction has been inconvenient, but the end result will be well worth it.
Somewhat temporarily, but it's necessary that they widen the roads and resurface for better driving or whatever. But yeah, temporarily it slows us down, but in the long run it's for the better.
Enterprise officials are asking motorists on Lunsford Road, as well as street paving elsewhere in the city, to please use caution and be patient while the work is being done.